At first, this looks like a single plastic component, but actually it's two different materials joined together through a manufacturing process known as overmolding.
Overmolding is a very common injection molding process where you combine the best of both worlds of two different types of materials. More commonly, you'll see a rigid, strong plastic like this glass-filled material here with a elastomer overmold.
This creates a bond between materials without the need for adhesives or additional assembly steps.
The results? Strength and ergonomics. Whether you're needing an overmolded product that gives you strength with vibration dampening, cosmetics, whatever it may be, it offers a lot of avenues that you wouldn't have with just one singular material. Now, overmolding, it doesn't just happen. Our engineers work with you long before we ever mold a single part to look at what materials are you wanting. Do they work together? Are they compatible? What is your design? Is it well suited to the overmolding process? We're here every step of the way to make sure that you're ready from the very first steps.
At Ash Industries, our engineering, tooling, molding, and quality teams work together to help customers develop overmolded solutions for medical, industrial, defense, and consumer applications.
If you're evaluating manufacturing options for your next product, overmolding could be the solution that improves performance while reducing overall assembly costs.